Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Asia, and for today's video it's gonna be my eyebrow tutorial and how I do my eyebrows. And so we're just gonna get straight into the video. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just continue to watch. Okay, now as you can see, I'm started with my base already done. I've done my foundation, color correcting, concealer and contour, and my face is set. So to get started, I'm going to use my Goof Proof Goof Proof pencil, and the shade number is 5. If you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. And I just ran out of my other one, so I'm just going to open a new one. And oh, my hands are so dirty. Okay, this is what it looks like. And so on one end it has a spoolie, which I really like, and then on this end it has the actual pencil. So I'm just going to use the spoolie end of the pencil and comb my brow hairs in an upward motion. Then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep in an angled brush, and I'm just going to follow the line underneath my eyebrow. I'm basically carving out the shape that I want my eyebrow to have when I fill it in. Then I'm just going to drag that concealer down. Next, I'm going to use the pencil, and it's like on an angle, so that's why I really like it. But I'm going to start in the middle of the brow, not at the beginning. And I'm just going to follow that line. I'm just going to draw right on top of that line using small strokes. Then I'm going to brush the hairs down so that I can see the shape of my brow at the top. And using it on an angle, I'm going to go ahead and just shape it to my liking. You can just shape your brow however you prefer. And I'm just using small motions, and then I'm going to brush it back up. And this pencil is really good for like flicking out the tail end of the brow. Then I'm going to go to the front and just draw a line on the top and bottom, then use the spoolie to brush that out. I don't really like using the pencil on the front end of my brow. I just feel like it makes that square boxy look, and I don't really like that. And then doing the same thing on the other brow. This technique really works when I don't have my eyebrows threaded and they're just doing whatever they want. This technique really helps me to shape them the way that I like, rather than filling them in first, then concealing them. When I put the concealer first, it just gives me a guideline, basically like a stencil of what the brow is going to look like once I fill it in with the pencil. I'm just doing the same thing on the other brow. And for the front of the brow, I'm going to use this Anastasia Dipbrow in the color Chocolate. It's not in focus, but that's what color it is. It's in chocolate. And I'm going to use the Angle Real Techniques brush. And I'm going to flip the brush vertically and make strokes going upward towards my forehead. So yeah, flick, 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 flick forward. And then I'm going to go and turn the brush back sideways and just blend out the pencil. Yeah, blend out the pencil. So yeah, you want to turn your brow brush, I'm sorry, you want to turn the brush vertically and flick it straight up. That's how you get the feathered look in the front rather than the boxy look. Then just drag whatever excess product throughout the brow. And I like the Dipbrow because it's waterproof. Most of the time I don't really do this step, but for the sake of the video, I did. But I'm just gonna put the concealer on the top of the brows and blend it out with this Real Techniques fluffy brush. I'm not sure the exact name, but this is like the perfect brush to blend out concealer. And when you do put the concealer on the top, it kind of does lose the definition and the sharpness. So if that's the look I'm going for the day, I'll just go back in with the pencil and just sharpen it back up where I put the concealer on top. Now this step is really important for me when I want like my brows to look feathery and bushy. This is the look I've been going for lately. I take this L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and I just use this in place of a brow gel. Now I got this technique from Melissa Forever, and when I wear my natural hair, my hair is really black, and so the products that I'm using are really just dark brown. So this just helps darken it and makes the hairs really look like hairs. So that is my eyebrow tutorial. It's pretty simple and straight to the point. I've been doing it this way lately, doing the concealer first, and I really like it. So from here, I would just go in with concealer on my eyelids and then go on with the eyeshadow look that I would be doing for the day. And I am still filming, so I'm going to be doing a look. I'm not done. I'm going to continue on. So if you want to check out the look that I do, please check out my next or previous video. I'm not sure which one is going up first. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Hey. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. 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 I need tongue, I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I perform product taste, killer weed, rock a lace.